Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the VPNGATE on your PC or laptop, or how you can download the Softether VPN client on your PC. First you have to open up your any browser, and in the Google search box just type the VPNGATE and hit the enter. Now you will see this website of VPNGATE, public free VPN cloud. Just click on that to open it. Now here you just need to click on the download, and here you will see the download Softether VPN client plus VPNGATE client. So once you click on that, it will start downloading into your PC. So I'm canceling it, and I have already downloaded, so I can just simply drag and drop into the desktop. Now you have to just create a new folder where you can just name it the VPNGATE. So once you name it, you have to right click on your zip file, and you will see the option of the extract files. Click on that, and here you need to just select the desktop, select the folder you created. Just click on the OK, then it will extract the files to the folder you created. So now you can also delete this and open up the folder, and here you will see the VPNGATE client beta. So you just need to double click on that, and now it will open up the setup and it's preparing to install. And then here you can just simply click on the next option, and now the setup was open. Here you just need to click on the next, check this box of the Softether VPN client, and then check this box of I agree to the end user. Click on the next, click on the next again, and if you want to install it to a specific folder, click on the specify the directory, click on the browse, select the folder, click on the next option again, click on the next again, and then it will start installing into your PC. So this process will take some time. You just need to wait for it until this was complete. So now click on the finish option you are seeing here, and if you want to launch it, just check this box. So after that, now this VPNGATE is downloaded and installed into your PC. So I can just open it, and here you can set up. So guys, if you want to set up, you can just simply see my another videos where I can show how you can use it or set up. And if you found this video useful, so please make sure you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.